Good afternoon, sir. I am Achal Kishore Deshmukh. My group is CZ. My seminar topic is inorganic polymers. Introductions of inorganic polymers. Polymers may be defined as a large molecular buildup by repulsions of small and simple chemical unit. The small simple chemical unit from which the polymers are formed are known as monomers. Polymers can be classified as an organic polymer and inorganic polymer depends upon their structure of polymers. A polymers, on the other hand, a molecular of inorganic polymers generally does not contain the carbon atom in their backbone chain. Classifications of inorganic polymers. Classifications of inorganic polymers into two different types on the basis of naturals of monomers in the polymeric chain and on the basis of reaction in the polymers. Classifications based on natural of monomers in the inorganic polymers have been classified as follow. Homoatomic polymer in the type of polymer whose have only one element in their backbone internally. For example, polygyniamine, heteroatomic inorganic polymer. In this type of polymers whose have more than one element in the chain backbone. For example, silicon. Classifications based on type of reaction. Inorganic polymers may be classified in their another way on the basis type of reaction by which they are formed. Yes, such organic polymers may be classified as inorganic condensations polymer, inorganic additions polymer and inorganic coordinations polymer. Silicon polymer. Silicon are the group of neutral inorganic polymer based on ring, chain and network of alternate silicon oxygen atom. It is contain single bond Ci, single bond O, single bond Ci linkage. They have generally formula as preparations of silicons. Preparations of silicon involve three main steps. Preparations of silicon intermediate, hydrolysis of intermediate and polymerization. Properties of silicon. They are having a good water repellent property. They have high dielectronic contain good electrical insulating power. They are restricted to mild chemical reagent like acid, base and may organic compound. They have good thermal stability and they can withstand at high temperature. They are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Use of silicon. Silicon are useful as hydrostatic fluid due to low temperature co-effect of viscosity. They are useful as lubricant, dielectric fluids. They are also used to insulating material, surface clouding agent, etc. Silicon also used for making a paint and enamels. Silicon rubber is used for surgery. They are also used publish additive. Silicon rubbers have been used to repel member which include brain. Structures of silicon. Phosphophenolnitric halides polymer. The phosphophenolnitric polymers are a group of cyclic or linear compound based on repulsions of single bond N, double bond P, single bond unit. Thus, the phosphoneutralic compound contain alternate P and N atom with substitutes on each phosphorus contain. They are known as a various structure from such a trimer, tetramer, pentamer, hexamer and oligomers. The monomers PnC12 has structures PsC12, Pn analogous to organic nutrient are single bond C, single bond N, so that compound are also called as Phosphoneutralics physical property. Phosphoneutralic halides are chemically interstand the thermally stable. They are critical crystalline solid. They are toxic. They are used to paint complex like odorant difficult in breathing. Chemical properties. Soluble in organic solvent, and properties of this compound are similarly to properties of P single bond CK bond. The reactions are less easily soluble. Applications of phosphoneutralic halide for heat transfer of lubrications, for repulsions of traditional organic polymer, as a use in making rubber, as a water repellent, properties used for preparing artificial human organs such as blood vessels. Structure and bonding. Structure and bonding studies by the spectrographically and X-ray diffractions. It's that phosphoneutralic chlorides has planar hexagonal ring structure. It is actually trimer of phosphochloride. Each nitrogen atom get bond to different phosphorus atom. Each phosphorus atom get chlorine bond to nitrogen atom to chlorine atom. All these overlap are axial and therefore sigma bond. The unhybridized 2pz orbital of nitrogen atom and 3d orbital of phosphorus atom overlap laterally to produce the decollized pi molecular orbital. The pi molecular orbital is not a refulgence in case benzene, but it has no phosphorus atom. This reduces the stability of decollized molecular orbit. This can be explained. Thank you.